Hey friends, Zach here. I'm currently in Little Talbot Island State Park in just outside of Jacksonville, Florida. I'm getting kind of hungry. It seems like a beautiful location, but I'm gonna whip up some eggs and then we'll take a look at the beach. Honestly, the thing I like most about eggs is that they're really, really fast and honestly don't take a lot of preparation. And then we can get to the good stuff, the views. Man, it is cold. I'm gonna put on a jacket. It's crazy. We're here in Jacksonville, Florida, and we're into March already, and I already need a jacket. It's a little ridiculous. Oh. Go in here, grab some seasoning or some oil. Wow, look at that wind, man. That's crazy. Got those eggs cracked. That's gonna be a nice meal in just a few minutes. All right, and there we have it. Some delicious eggs just like that. We'll let them go a little bit longer, get them that nice fluffy texture. And then we'll eat them, and then we'll go and enjoy whatever's over there. So I've already added some hot sauce in there. We'll go ahead and add some salt and pepper. And I'm making one of my favorite things, or one thing that I found to be one of my favorite as I've been traveling so far. You know, 2 months in, you go through a lot of different food combinations. In terms of it just being easy and fast, it's definitely reliable. I call them my egg tacos. It's pretty simple, and I'm gonna show you how it works here in a sec. All right, we're gonna take our piece of bread here, and we're just gonna dab some hot sauce right there. Basically right in the center. Then we'll take some eggs and we'll get those eggs right in the center as well. Just like you're making a taco, except it's an egg taco. Then you fold it, and look at that. And then you eat it. Like I said, it's simple, it's fast, gets the job done, allows you to concentrate on the more important things like the views, the beach, and the sand. We do have a pretty nice sunset here, but yeah, so there we have it. Egg tacos. Alrighty, well here we are. I've made it down to the shoreline, and we have a pretty beautiful view, to say the least. Oh my God, I mean, it's just completely barren. It really seems like there's nothing. I mean, I drove to the very far back of the park, but it is a beautiful view, to say the least. So I have to say this is a very, very beautiful view. So is this over here. Let's see if we can get that to focus. There we go. All right, friends, well, that right there was Little Talbot Park in a nutshell, or at least the part of the nutshell that I saw, which was an incredibly small part. It was beautiful nonetheless, and I thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.